Welcome in Quick Learning. In this tutorial you will learn how to use control structures, especially selection control structure and repetition control structure for printing factors of any positive integer. So what you have to do is just take an variable of integer data type. I'm giving the name as x and writing here the command of printf for printing any statement, and I'm giving here enter any positive number. Then to take input from user, use a function of scanf, giving here the %d and here ampersand and my variable which is x. Now you have to use for loop. For loop is basically a repetition control structure. So use a for, which is a keyword. These small brackets now doesn't show that it is a function. We have to give here three things. The first is initialization, second one is condition, and the third one is increment or decrement. For initializing my variable here, I must have to declare it before. So I am declaring the variable here with the name of I, which is of integer data type, and now initializing here I to 1. Why I have used I to 1? Because whatever the number or a positive integer is, every integer is divisible, completely divisible by 1. So the common factor for every number is 1. That is why the smallest factor for any number is 1. I have used here. Then the condition could be like I is lesser than or equal to x. In x any integer can be stored. So the third one is increment or decrement in your variable. Here the body of for loop. If this condition is true, then the control will come inside the body of for loop. You can write any statement in for loop. I am giving here another control structure, which is a selection control structure. If is a keyword, and the small brackets also again not showing the that it is a function. We have to give here any condition. I am giving the condition as x and using the modulus operator, which will give me any reminder. It could either be 0 or 1 or any number. So x modulus operator then I is equal to 0. I am comparing the result that what when x is divided by I, then whatever the result, for example result is 1 is equal to 0. No, so the control will not come inside the if loop. I am giving here the body of if by using the curly brackets. When this condition is true, then control will come inside the if, and whatever written here will be printed. I am writing here %d, then /n for my ease, and I. Let's see the output. What will be the output? Is this program is going right or not? We have used two control structures here. Enter any positive integer. I am giving here the integer of 6. Let's see the output. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors for this 6. The number which user have entered is stored in x variable, and already I is 1. So 1 is less than 6. The condition is true. Then the control will come inside these curly brackets, and there is again another loop which is selection control structure. If 6 divided by 1 give us the remainder of 0, so this condition is also true. The control will come inside if, and the statement here of printing that I is 1 right now, which will be printed. Then the control will come outside from if loop, and at the end of the for loop bracket there the I will be incremented by 1. So I is now 2. So 2 is lesser than or equal to 6. Yes, 2 is less than 6. Again the condition is true. The if will be executed. Now 6 divided by 2 give us the remainder of 0. It is true. So again 2 will be printed. Then an increment in I will be 3, and up to so on it will go till 6 when I is 6. So this is the simple program by using we have used here for and if control structures to print our factors for any positive integer. I hope you like the video. For more details and for more coding, keep watching my channel Quick Learning. Thank you.